Hi, this is my first talk of in my internship with A&D Tech. I was in this task. I was given a data sheet in which I have to manipulate the data. First of all, the task was given about the sorting and filtering of the data. Then I have to apply some basic formulas on the data, and the third point was to design a pivot table. So first of all, let's move to sorting and filtering. In this, I was asked to sort my data according to the sales. That was in descending order. So I just moved to sort and filter here in the tab and click on the tab. So I just do a custom sort. So I clicked here sort by. We have to sort it by sales. So here is the sales, and then smallest to largest. As we are moving to descending order, so this is largest to smaller. So we type OK. So this is the way I tackle with this task. The second point that I was asked in this task was to use filter. So we have to apply filter on the category field that will include on means this field that would include the data of only technology category. So to do my this point, I go to sort and filter and apply filter. This would apply filter on all the fields. So I have just filter on my category and choose remove the select all, and then have to select only technology because I was asked to filter only technology related data. So click OK, and now our data sheet is according to the category that includes only technology field. The second thing was to apply sum and average formula on our data sheet. So I was asked to apply the sum formula on the sales field, means this field. So I just move to the W field and add a new field called total sales. And here in this cell, I applied a formula that was this sum equal to R2, which means that it would sum all the sales that is present from R2 to R2 column to R9988 column. So this would this is the total sales of this column. Now for the calculation of average discounts, I use only average operation which was like this, that we have been given that the discount is given in the T field. So I just selected T2 from T9988 and applied the average function on it. So this would give me the average of discounts. As you can see, the formula that it was from T2 and was going all over T9988. This is given, and this column was the sales. So similar why I was dealing with the sales. To complete my third point, I have to design a pivot table. So I just clicked on these insert and here pivot tables, and I have to you have to choose from external this table range pivot table. I just clicked on that and created a table that looks like this. So this was the pivot table that I designed. So this was all about my week one task, and I hope that this was according to all the needs that you asked in the task. So thank you.